Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.